Hi guys, this is gsnom.com and I'm here with a CAT S52, the latest rugged phone we're testing. It's priced at $600 and it's supposed to be, well, fancier than your usual rugged phone. So I'm going to start with the thickness. It's 9.69 millimeters, which is slim in the world of rugged phones. It's got Gorilla Glass 6 protection at the front side, but the protection is thicker than your usual smartphone. It's got metal on the sides, and as you can see, there are no longer lids on the ports, so you can access them more easily. It's been drop tested up to 1.5 meters on concrete. It's IP68 certified, military spec certified. It's got TPU at the back, which is something used on cases usually, and the singular back camera is a 12 megapixel sensor IMX from Sony, which is the same one from the Google Pixel 4, which is no small feat. At the front side there's an 8 megapixel camera, and what you're seeing here is a 5.7-inch screen with an HD plus resolution. Each side we find an octa-core MediaTek CPU, is the Helio P35, accompanied by 4GB of RAM and also accompanied by 64GB of storage, plus we also have a microSD card slot. There's a bunch of tools here, and in case you're wondering, we're running on Android 9 Pie with the promise of Android 10 as fast as possible. Now here you can see the camera interface. It's very minimalistic and straightforward, no gimmicks, just photo, portrait and video, and I did notice a bit of lag when using it. It's supposed to be much lighter and much slimmer than your usual rugged phone, because those ones are usually bulky. Aside from that, it's a premiere for the CAT brand. It's the first rugged CAT phone with a fingerprint scanner for the sake of banking, for the sake of extra security. There's also face unlock, but it's just the software one. It doesn't involve any sort of infrared gimmick or anything like that. Well, other than that, I have to say that we talked about the specs: 4 gig, 64 gig. There's also an audio jack here, and this one feels a bit like a throwback to the time of the Nexus 4, maybe Nexus 5. There's a bit of Alcatel design here. I would say it's old school and also pretty handy as far as rugged phones are concerned. It's the CAT S52, and compared to the predecessor, is 25% lighter and slimmer. Supposed to be dropped on concrete from up to 1.5 millimeters, and it will survive it. And other than that, I also have to say it's resilient to the dust, to the water, and even to the scratches for the screen you're seeing right here. $600, that's the price tag. Got a bunch of utilities here, and it's for people who work in the forest, in mining industry, in oil industry, and chemical plants, and other such tough and manly jobs. This is from gsnom.com, the first contact with the CAT S52. Bye bye.